size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Sheridan Point to 9 miles southwest of Sheridan Point on the Comico River and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations affected include Breton Bay, Clements Bay, St. Leonard Creek, Black Harbor, Leonardtown, Hollywood, Calvert Cliffs, Lusby, Cutco Creek, Town Creek. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. This storm is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move indoors immediately.